Here's a recap of my day so far. Shop's looking a little messy with the parts flying around, but getting ready to pull the engine. I wanted to strip it down as far as I could, just to make it easier to pull. So we've got the radiator out, we've got water pump off, alternator, distributor out, intake. I pulled that valve cover to see if I had some issues, just to know what it was, but it's just off there for that. Got the power steering disconnected, got the motor mount nuts off the bolts. I'm getting ready to go under the car and try to either unmount the transmission or take the mount off just from the transmission and pull the engine and trans out. But yeah, this is my setup right now. Got some plastic just to protect it. We'll see if that works. So yeah, this is my project, and I would like to get it ready for this year's Hot Rod Power Tour. Right now it's January. That is in June, so about 5 months. But any quicker, I would be happy to get it back on the road. We got some nice weather here in Florida. It's 85 today, but the rest of this week it's going to be in the 70s. Very rare for South Florida. So it being down kind of hurts right now because there's no air conditioning. I plan to add it in the future, but as of right now, it does not have air conditioning, and I don't see it happening soon.